Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be working once again with Asteria hair. Now girl, before I get into anything, right now, as soon as this video goes live, Asteria hair is having their Black Friday sale. You do not want to miss out on it, because let me tell you, of all the companies I work with, Asteria has like the best quality hair when it comes onto their long wigs, when it comes onto their lace, when it comes onto the cap size, fitting seamlessly and snug on your head. Asteria has it all like down pat. So I feel like this is just the sale that you should take advantage of the most. If I don't encourage you to purchase something from Asteria, like, what am I even doing? This wig is just such good quality. The hair is amazing to die for, and the wig actually that I'm wearing right now is their 24-inch 180 density 13x4 HD lace frontal straight wig in their long hair wig collection. Do you see how full and thick and sleek and shiny this wig is? Like, get into it. I don't want to ramble on too much because I know this video is probably going to be a bit long, because I did glue it down. So I do show you guys how to step by step melt your lace seamlessly on your gorgeous Asteria wig. The links will be in the description box for you to purchase. And without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial so I could show you guys how to lay your lace.
Yeah. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall by my right hand. For the friends that take off with me load. One time did sit down in a class and report that only said the road and me one with the road. Third form, me say me try a thing, and you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic fire sing, yeah. See me all diggy soon get the higher ring. Like hello brother, I'm say I just shot ya. Saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If me the butter pass through your shot, we can't fall in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall by my right hand. But I do it for the friends we take off me road. One time they sit down in a class and we board them. Only said the road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's how our blessings upon me, and send me to tell them a story. That's how our blessings upon me, and that's how I made to give him the love. I'm in delighted. Jano tell me passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a poison. Blessings all for my life, and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, this is blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast for the friends we take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we board them. Only said the road and me go on with the road. Toast. Oh, in a rise and boast.
straighten this side, so it's time to do this side. I am in love with how sleek this hair is looking right now. She's giving me life. So let me just go ahead and straighten this side.
Son más de las 12, nos fuimos de roce. Hoy voy a lo loco, ustedes me conocen. Reggaeton de Tego, pa' que se lo gocen. Saben quién es Barbie, lo empezó en José. Y yo no me complico, ¿cómo te explico? Que a mí me gusta pasarla rico. ¿Cómo te explico? No me complico, a mí me gusta pasarla rico. Después de las 12 salimos a buscar el party. Ando con los tigres, estamos en modo safari. Con un fue violento que parecemos sicarios. Tomando vino y algunos fumando mari. La policía está molesta porque ya se puso buena la fiesta. Pero estamos legal, no me pueden arrestar. Por eso yo sigo hasta que amanezca en ti. Yo no me complico, ¿cómo te explico? Que a mí me gusta pasarla rico. ¿Cómo te explico? No me complico, a mí me gusta pasarla rico. Yo no me complico, ¿cómo te explico? Que a mí me gusta pasarla rico. ¿Cómo te explico? No me complico, a mí me gusta pasarla rico. Ey, ey, bluff, 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 ey, ey.
Okay girls, so I'm literally just gonna try to fit all the hair in the frame at once. So I'm a bit further back and I think that's fine. That's absolutely fine as long as y'all could see this hair and how nice it is. Such good quality hair, always from Asteria hair. They have like the best quality in hair and wigs and HD lace for long wigs. So the one that I'm wearing right now is their 24-inch 13x4 HD lace wig. It is a frontal wig, hence the 13x4. It's giving more of like a 5-inch parting space instead of 4. So I'm so here for that when they're generous with the lace. I love that about Asteria hair, as well as just how nice quality this hair is. Like, this is just like top of the line quality. This hair, everything, I feel like every girl needs a long wig from Asteria. It doesn't matter what texture, pattern, style, as long as you get a long wig, sis, that's all that matters. But the texture I'm wearing now is just their straight texture in 180 density, and it is pretty full in comparison to other 180 densities. You are not getting this. So this is definitely good quality. Definitely recommend. So thank you so much to Asteria here for sending me this gorgeous wig, and don't forget to check out the links because their Black Friday sale is currently going on, so you could get a whole bunch of discounts on your long wigs. So imagine that, long wigs for not long wig prices. Actually, today is when their sale is going on, so don't miss out, sis. Get your hands on one of these wigs, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again to Asteria. Your hair is always amazing. Such a pleasure to work with Asteria all the time. So without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Don't forget to shop that sale.